It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got this King Noodle by way of B&B Global. Thank you for sending this on down the line. I'm going to microwave this one. It takes 5 minutes at 800. Is that what it said? 5 minutes at 800 watts. So that's what we're going to do. You add everything in, you let her rip. You take the lid all the way off. Yeah, fully remove the lid, add in soup base, and then you get to go and do the happy. There is vegetable in the bottom here. Man, it is really hard to do stuff when you've got a finger that you sliced the top off of. It's really uncomfortable. So don't do that, all right? It's really doesn't do you any good. Is this going to be enough liquid? Room temperature liquid up to the line. Wow. I'll add a little bit more, but that was pretty darn close. There we go. Just a splash. Right to there. Yeah, I keep, this isn't like bottled water, this is just tap water, but the thing is, so many things ask me for room temp water to microwave stuff in. So I just have one on hand, ready to go at any time the need arises. So there you go. That's right. All right, so it's at 700. There's that. I'm gonna throw this over there. You know, I'm gonna submerge this slightly. There you go, there's the, well, there we go. All right, 5 minutes at 700 watts. Yeah, I think that's right. Made some chicken, that's chicken. And, yeah. So yeah, cut my finger. Got it. This is ridiculous. So we got our new lease. Then yesterday we got a check in the mail because they overcharged us for the tabs by like $180. It's like, why wouldn't you have just taken that and make it so our monthly payment would be cheaper? And the children are home in the summer, and they're screaming at each other all day. One moment. Where was I? The beauty of summer, happiness of childhood. Yeah, I never had a little sister. I had a big sister, but we're separated in age by like 13 years, so it was just like, my big sister's coming, you know. So it's not like, oh, we got into it a few times, but not with the regularness of a 5 and a 6-year-old, that's for sure. But I digress. What do you do? And yeah, these are the dog days of summer. It's been a weird summer around here. Last summer we had like really high temps. We got up to like, I think I peaked out at 112. in the Seattle area, that's gross. But that's not normal. That when I was growing up, the highest we ever got was like 83. Granted, it was up in Anacortes, but I don't remember over this area getting that much hotter than that. And yeah, so that's kind of kooky. So yeah, they sent us money back for our car that we haven't actually even made the first payment on it yet. I'm guessing the reason that they just do that when they overcharge you is because to fix it for your monthly payment, they would have to like draw up all new paperwork and blah 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 blah. So it's like, here's $120 or $180 check for you. It's like, okay. And so this new ride has leather seats. We're not like leather seat people. They're all right. I mean, but it's just like, we don't want leather seats. That's stupid. And also, it doesn't have a DVD player. So we got this set of headrest DVD players, but there's nowhere to put the freaking cords, so that's going back. Because the kid's enjoying watching the films, but yeah, that ain't flying. So yeah, that was crazy. We go there to get a new car because our lease is up. Oh, hold on. Did somebody knock on the door? Thank you. So that wasn't what I was hoping it was. See, I gotta wait, waiting patiently for the UPS people to come and pick up said DVD players I was mentioning. Well, that was a Zen Pop box though, so that's pretty neat. I thought I saw that was what was coming today. But yeah, it's a neat car. The AC works. It's a cool color. You push the button and the back opens up. It's like, yeah. I don't mind cruising around in it. Although, if we ride around in it for a while and I gotta like sit in that car, my knees start to bug me. It's not as spacious as the Odyssey, but that thing, she really didn't want to drive around the tuna boat anymore, and I can't say I blame her. It's a big freaking boat of a vehicle, so. Now we get better mileage too. Oh God, thank you. That was a dangerous endeavor. Like picking it up by the paper plate, I'm thinking like, oh, are we gonna make it? Because if that thing gave out, I would have been covered in exceedingly boiling hot, wonderfully smelling chicken noodles that, no matter how good they smell, you don't want to get burnt. So looks like we've got, yeah, just like a basic big chicken noodle bowl. Definitely done after 5 minutes. I've got a 1250 watt microwave and I put it at 60%. Because 125 times 4 should be 500. So it's supposed to be 800 watt. And this thing seems to run a little hot, so I'm guessing that was like more like 750, 850. I don't know. Math isn't working right now. Cheers. Noodle's all right. I'm always enamored with, you think you're going to cook a noodle in the microwave, it's going to come out gross, and how well these tend to do. Okay. Here's our broth. I like this. This is a good chicken noodle soup. It's not violently spicy. It's not, They do have a spicy one too, which I'm looking forward to. I do like violent and spice. But it looks like this one's going to be pretty mellow. Give this one a try. I'm gonna add some mung bean sprouts in there. Making funny noises out there. There's that. Ow, God. When I went out on that special walk yesterday, I got bit like crazy by bugs. I've got chicken. Starting to boil water for my next review. That's what that creaking sound is. Come on. All right. So some spring onion. Some sesame seed. That's all she wrote on this one. It's good. I like it. It's definitely a nice chicken noodle. There we are. It'll be time for lunch in a few minutes. Alright, this has been Alex the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The next one you're going to see is this otogi variety, this buckwheat chili noodle, and this is going to be a cold noodle, good for summer months. Found it at Bohan Market in Edmonds, Washington. So if you're ever over there, check them out. Yeah, this has been Alex the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.